Alright, so the flex tape idea, it didn't work out too well. Kept driving around, tape kept falling off, tire kept losing air. So I said to myself, what am I doing wrong? It's the tape. Tape won't stick to the wheel. So I'm just going to keep building up layer after layer of Flex Seal. And eventually, there'll just be so much Flex Seal that no air can get out. So let's do this. Wipe that on. Yeah, wipe it all over there. Now I just let that layer dry. Keep layering it up. And eventually, no air will be able to get out of that.